2017 Ford Super Duty F-250 SRW. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, power running boards, parking aid sensor, seat massage, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.